Hoover Dam is located about a half an hour outside of Las Vegas and is situated between Arizona and Nevada. Filled with history and a colossal view, the Hoover Dam is certainly a worthwhile stop. It's easy to be awed by the Hoover Dam. If you have just a few minutes, stop along one of the many roadside viewpoints. Perfect for snapping a photo and taking in the immensity of the dam. If you have the time, be sure to check out the power plant tour and see how the dam operates. Hoover Dam straddles the mighty Colorado River, which acts as the border between Arizona and Nevada. The dam created Lake Mead, which is the largest reservoir in the U.S. in water capacity. Well, that's a quick look at the Hoover Dam. Till next time, we'll see you on the road.